is a quick tutorial video as requested by someone who commented on one of my videos regarding the cron job for Woozone. It's quite straightforward, but if you haven't done it before, then hopefully I'll be able to show you how to do it quickly. There's a couple of issues here, I'll fix them later on, but I'll show you the cron job. Okay, if you go to click on Woozone and go to plugin cron jobs, it tells you here everything you need to know. It's got a little guide here, but basically you want to add this command to cPanel, and then you need to edit your WP config file and add this little bit of code here so WordPress doesn't try and run the cron job because you've got the server running it. So first thing is copy this command, go to your cPanel, it's normally your domain name /cPanel, go down to advanced, click on cron jobs, don't need to worry about that, enter your command and choose common settings, so it adds the time here and then the rest of all the stars. I think they recommend every 15 minutes, which is fine. You can do it here or you can change it manually in the box here. Same thing either way, and then click on add new cron job. That's it, done. So now your server will run the WP cron.php file. So it'll run all the scheduled tasks such as updating the stock, the pricing, text, and other admin tasks on the site. That's not just for Woozone, it's for other plugins that need cron job, such as newsletters. Okay, so that's done. And now we need to edit the WP config. Now you can do this in by FTP or via the file manager in cPanel. I normally do it via file manager because it's much easier and it's quicker. So go back to your cPanel, click on file manager, double click on public HTML, find the WP config.php file. Now it's always best to make a backup first because it's a very important file, you don't want to mess it up. So to quickly make a backup, just right click and do download, let it download on your hard drive. Then when you're done, right click, edit, press edit again. Okay, and now you need to put that bit of code in. So here, okay, copy, Control-C. I normally just paste it at the top, doesn't make a difference. Save, and that's it, you're done. So now your server will automatically take over running the WP cron file. It'll be more efficient and it'll run it exactly as scheduled, so it doesn't matter how many people come to your site. If the new site is very quiet, it'll still run it for every 5 minutes or 15 minutes. If it's a busy site, it will still run it for you. It's more efficient and it takes a load on WordPress. Okay, and that's it. I forgot to add another format for the command. Now with my host, they recommend that you use this command instead of the wget. It's supposed to be more efficient. So if you go to, this is my other site, iuseful.com, just got a quick page there with some handy codes. So go back to your cPanel, go down to cron jobs. Let me just delete the one that I made. Yes. Okay, put in the new command. And my host said I can run it every 5 minutes, which is fine. You can set it to 15 or 10 or whatever you want. And new job. So this works exactly the same way, but my host recommended it for the setup that they've got. This is more efficient. So that also works. And we've got two more videos coming up to do with PHP and also adding the WooCommerce pages. As you can see, I've got a couple of issues here. The memory is too low. I don't have the SOAP client running, and also the WooCommerce pages. So if this is all you wanted, then thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it. Please leave me a comment. This is a new step for me, recording my voice on the video. I've got a new mic and a new little amp. Hopefully it works, but I've got a bit of a sore throat, so it's not great. I'll also add subtitles. And please leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know how it goes. Thanks.